custom touches done to it. 1972 Chevrolet C10 regular cab, a long box, green pearl. Custom interior also underneath the hood, according to the previous owner. 383 stroker paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front end. We have a little later model, more high intensity headlight there. Colored keyed front bumper. Headlight surrounds, grill all look good. Paint is in nice condition on this one, shows well. We'll pop the hood and I'll get into a little more of the engine here in just a bit too. But power steering, power brakes, 383 stroker. Automatic transmission. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us, 507-386-1726. American Legend wheels, Nitto tires. That's what this truck's riding on. You can see up and down the length of the passenger side here. Shaved door handles, does have 2 key fobs with poppers. They work fine when we get around to that driver's side. Show you how those work. Retro sound style radio, aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Also has new exhaust and cutouts, by the way, electric cutouts. It's a switch underneath the dash. We'll show you how that works and how it sounds here shortly too. As far as that front end, lowered spindles, does have a notched frame in the rear. New shocks, ball joints, tie rods, idler arm, drag link, and U-joints. Coming around here to the rear, you can see we have the taillights Frenched into the lower bumper. New bed in stainless. It's looking good in the bed of it also. 342 rear gears in an Eaton posi rear end. And interior, you're going to get around to that. That does have new carpeting, new upholstery, door panels, seat covers, dash pad. Also new window seals. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the side exhaust. There's a dual exhaust, headband headers up underneath there, long tubes, I believe it was. And we'll check out that engine bay, and I'll get into a little bit more detail on that just shortly. First of all, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Now, we'll show you the key fob here, and just push and hold that button is going to pop passenger side, and the other side will pop, driver's side. It's the lock button, and an unlock button will unlock the passenger side. So lock drivers, unlock passengers. Poppers work well. Radio also works. Wipers work. Now let's go ahead and fire this up. See, here, run. Starts easy. Has a little rumble to it, and we're going to get into why it does here shortly also. Like I said, we have the retro sound radio. That is functioning. So turn it on. Down here, do a little aftermarket gauges, and the electric cutout switch is this one right here. So let's go ahead and push it up. You want some rumble out of it? Open up the cutouts. Want to close them back up. Quiet it down. Nice sounding stereo. And I did say the wipers work. No problem there. Alright, now before I open this hood, I want to go through a few things here. You have a roller cam, roller rockers, Edelbrock air gap intake, Edelbrock ABS2 card, and Edelbrock valve covers and air cleaner. Like I said, Hedman long tube headers, aluminum radiator, and of course that dual exhaust with electric cutouts. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, pop the hood, and we'll take a look at what I'm talking about.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is. There you can see aluminum radiator, power brakes, power steering, and it was front disc rear drum, by the way. Bell roller rockers, roller cam, Edelbrock air gap intake, and Edelbrock ABS2 carb. Good sounding engine. And again, according to the previous owner, 83 stroker, 1972 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long box, customized. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.